Hello everyone. Welcome to SKLEARNING C#.NET interview series. In this video, we'll explore the difference between array versus ArrayList. In array, array has fixed size and can't increase or decrease dynamically. Arrays belong to System.Array namespace. In arrays, we can store only one data type, either int, string, char, etc. Insertion and deletion operation is fast. Arrays are strongly typed, which means it can store only specific type of items or elements. Array cannot accept null. In ArrayList, size can be increased or decreased dynamically. ArrayList belongs to System.Collection namespace. In ArrayList, we can store different data type variables. Insertion and deletion operation in ArrayList is slower than an array. ArrayLists are not strongly typed. ArrayList can accept null. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to SKLEARNING for more informative content.